Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to stop Google Photos from syncing on the iPhone. You have to start by open Google Photos application. After that you need to click at the profile icon at the right top. And right here we have two options how to stop it. The first one is to click right here at the second line at the backup and disable it here. Or you can also go to the Google Photos settings, then backup and disable backup here. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!